In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in Google Calendar. Whether you're aiming to give your calendar a fresh look or simply prefer a certain theme for comfort, you're in the right place. First things first, open up your web browser. Now head over to Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, particularly if you have multiple Google accounts. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small gear icon there. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Appearance. This is where you can alter how things look on your Google Calendar. Once you've selected the Appearance option, you'll be presented with theme choices. You've got a few options: light, dark, or device default. Each of these themes brings a different vibe to your calendar, so consider what best suits your needs. If you're working in an environment with poor lighting or you find dark modes easier on the eyes, you might prefer the dark theme. On the other hand, if you enjoy bright and fresh displays, the light theme is probably your go-to choice. And if you like your device to handle decisions for you, choosing the device default option will let your device settings dictate the theme, automatically adjusting between light and dark as your device settings change. After you've made your selection, don't forget to click that Done button to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your chosen theme is applied and that you'll see it every time you open Google Calendar. And there you have it. Just like that, you've changed the theme on your Google Calendar. If at any point you want to switch things up again, whether it's to try a different theme or to revert to the original, you can easily repeat these steps and adapt your calendar's appearance to suit your mood or your working environment. Adjusting your calendar's appearance is a great way to personalize your workspace, making it more enjoyable and tailored to your preferences. Feel free to experiment with these options to see what feels most comfortable and fuels your productivity. It's amazing how something as simple as a theme can give your digital planning tools a fresh, new feel, supporting your focus and making scheduling that much more pleasant. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy your newly themed calendar.